All right. Can I have thumbs up when you guys are done? Andrew, you guys are good? Adam, you good? Okay. All right, so you're here. I'm sorry, the floor plan. Let's do the floor plan. Go ahead and open, close that one and open the floor plan. Okay, no problem. Take your time. We're not in a hurry. Did you make coffee, Aaron, my friend? Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we are in the floor plan. We are in the floor plan. Here's your layout. Yours should look something similar to this. Thumbs up, Chad. Cool. Okay, now we're going to go do the following. I would like you guys to follow up properly with me. Please go to the handout that I gave you, page 5. Grab the handout, page 5. Because as long as we're in visual, might as well do the handout, page 5. And I'm looking at item number 12. It says lighting calculation using visual software. Cool? So let's go to circled page 5, handout, okay? Grab that one, cool. All right, I'm gonna go to item number, circled page 5, item number 12. It says lighting calculation using visual software. As long as we're here, Jeff, I'm gonna show you how to, I know, what's his name? Andrew Murphy, when he was here, he walked you through how to set up the printing. I'm going to review the printing very quick because that's a good time to review the printing from visual. So I want to read, guys, lighting calculation using visual software. These are the report I want you to do. Number 1, first floor, not plan, should be plan, right? Please get rid of that E. Plan view with calc points. The second one, 3D view with no calc, and I'm not going to do the parking lot. You guys will do it. First floor statistics and fixture schedule. So I'm going to do right now first floor. The first floor plan view, calc, and 3D, as well as the statistics. So, okay, let's go file, print editor. Okay, when you guys go here, did you do any pages with, do you see some pages that have been done before? Do you see anything when you open here? Okay, the first thing I would like you to go is come over here, and I'm going to go delete this. As a matter of fact, the first thing, can you see we say that whatever page size that you guys have here? First, the printer. Can you guys see the printer? Could you please default to this printer? Grab the printer, default to this printer. Can I have thumbs up when you default to, this is that big 5200 here. Cool, everybody's defaulted to it. Okay, next, click on the page and make sure you click on, here's your options for pages. Please click on 11 by 17 if you're not there yet. 11 by 17, everybody's there? Okay. The next one is, this is where you can make it landscape or portrait. So make sure it's landscape like this and hit OK. So here's your page. It's gonna look like this. If your page doesn't, if you started with a page like this, 11 by 17, right? Here's what you do. You go insert, and you need what do you call this one? Insert tile block. Where's tile block? Grayed out. Okay, maybe because I'm gonna insert tile block, power service statistics. Tile block right here. Okay, insert your tile block. Now this is where you can type anything you want, so your team, and you can edit this at any time. Okay, so I'm going to say commercial project, and the date and the designer as CSK, and your partner, the date and all the stuff. At least this, guys, and you can edit this one at any time. And here is your sheet that you're going to be printing. Thumbs up when you reach this point. Okay. It takes a second. Okay. All right. So I want you guys to make sure that you have at least a page 11 by 17. Made a mistake? No problem. What do? You come over here at any time, double click on it, and you type and edit at any time. Thumbs up. Type and edit at any time. Okay. Cool. This is the page number 1. The first thing, okay, so let's go say the first thing I want to drop in page number 1. It says first floor plan view with calculation point. First floor plan view with calculation point. That's the first thing I'm going to drop. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert plan view. Can you guys see the plan view here? Insert plan view and click on one corner and make a box as big as you can get it, and that will be your plan view with calculation zone. Cool? Everybody drop a plan view with calculation zone. Okay, now if you click on it, you can scale it. This is 1 to 16, you can scale it, but we really to fit better or something, this is 1 through 16, or we're not doing much out of it at this time. So, but that's how you can double click on it and scale it if you want to change the scale. If you want to change the scale, so 1 so through 10, and let me see if we can get it bigger a little bit. Okay, I got it 1 through 10, slightly bigger. You can adjust it. Can you guys see I'm dragging it and adjusting it? So it looks like if I put it, guys, to get all what I need, if I put it, if I put my scale 1 to 10, 1 inch equal 10 inches, or 1 inch equal 10 feet, that will give me a good layout. Remember, we're not doing anything out of this other than printing it. Can I have thumbs up first? We're done with this. You double click on it, and I change this one, make it 10. Okay, instead of 16, it makes it bigger. Okay. The scale, you know what? To continue with the scale that we use, guys, you might have. I think we should use the scale, the industry scale. So let's use one. I think 1/16 to 1. I believe that could. 1/8 is good. Okay, let's use 1/8. Let's use the architectural scale. 1/8 to 1. 1/8 to 1. That's too big though. 1/8 to 1 is too big. So can you guys go change this to 1/16? I think 1/16 should get you there. Can you change it to 1/16? Okay. 1/16 to 1 looks something like this. Cool. That's sheet number 1. Let's go to sheet number 2. Sheet number 1, it says with calculation. Yep, there's a calculation in it, right? Now, when you create a sheet number 2, all what you have to do, go page, copy, right? Are you guys with me? We put it 1/16, go page, copy. When you copy, it will give you an identical page of the one that we already designed. An identical page. Cool? When it does an identical page for you, now remember, the first thing you need to do on the second page is click on this and delete it. Delete what was on page 1. So remember, now you have page 1 already set to print. Page 2 identical to page 1, but I clicked on the plan view and deleted it. Thumbs up. Aaron? Yeah. Andrew, are you a team? Cool? Okay. Now here, I want to print, I want to bring the second one. It says first floor 3D with no calculation zone. With no calculation zone. Okay, I'm going to go insert, illustration, 3D, any 3D view. Let's use Southwest, and any of them, Southwest is good, and go all the way up, open the box, and you got yourself a system like this. Double click on it, and put the scale again. Oh, 1/16 actually, it's already set, 1/16. Okay? Can you have thumbs up when you guys are there? There's one little problem here. There's calculations, right? Do you guys see the calculation here? There's one problem, there's calculation in it. Double click on the graphic, and you can see that little icon here which says calculation zone. Click on this, then the calculation zone will disappear. Your calculation zone will disappear. Did you guys see what I did? Right in here, if you click this one, they come. Click this one, they disappear. Okay? Cool? And then hit OK. Now here's your 3D view without calculation zone. Thumbs up when everybody's done. One more time. Double click on the graphic. I did Southwest. Any view, doesn't really matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. leave it at that scale. I'm gonna leave it up to you if you know bigger. I think what was the? Oh, we're gonna use the right scale though. This is not the right scale. We're gonna use let's just try to use the scale, the same scale. Let's just use the same scale that we did, guys. No scale. It looks like no scale. So I just went here, double click on it, and I made it 1/16 to 1. 1/16 to 1. But we don't have to worry about the scale on the 3D, as we said, absolutely. Okay, we have 2 pages. 2 pages. Cool. 2 pages. Cool. Okay, let's go to page 3. Page, copy. I'm going to go copy the existing page. Here's page 3. The first thing you need to do, click on it, delete that one from page 3, and let's see what Chad wants you guys to do in page 3. I want you in page 3 to do first floor statistics and fixture schedule. Okay, we need statistics and fixture schedule. So insert, let's go to fixture luminaire schedule. Here's my luminaire schedule. Okay, and I don't think I can fit the statistics here. Let me see if I can fit the statistics. Insert statistics. I can't fit the statistics. Can you guys see that? I can't fit the statistics. Okay, so skip this. Oops. So why don't you guys, the first thing you do is put the luminaire schedule. Cool. Can I have a thumbs up? Luminaire schedule. Let's go copy this page again. Copy. Copy again. Delete the schedule, and I want to insert statistics. That would be page number 4, statistics. Can you guys see statistics? Now, if your statistics are too big, they can't fit. If your statistic too big, here's what I would do. Look at this, guys. Click here, make it portrait instead of landscape, and click it this way, and then your statistic should fit really beautifully. Your statistics are grayed out because your calculation have not been activated yet. How many of you guys, your statistics are grayed out? Okay, let's take a step back and go get the calculation. Let me show you how you're going to do it. Now everything here, just close here, right here, close it, and you get back to where your calculation is. Before you do anything, can you guys go ahead and hit calculation? Calculate, 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 calculate. Make sure your calculation are active for all the stuff that you want. So hit calculation. Now, Darren, if there's any zones that you put them inactive or invisible, you have to activate them. And you can do this at any time, guys. Even when you build all your sheets, you go activate them, they will show up. Okay? Can I have thumbs up when you guys' calculation is showing? All your calculations should be shown like mine. Yes? No? Okay, now when you go there, here's my calculation zone. All of them are showing. Cool? Awesome. Done. Go back again, edit, file, print editor. That will take us to where we were, guys. Here's my page 1, page 2, page 3, and page 4. I would like you guys to give me a thumbs up when you have the 4 pages. If you can't fit it, yeah, if you can't fit it, then make a portrait like this. Can I get you guys? You don't have to. If you can't fit your schedule, your statistics. Cool? This is what you're going to be printing for your friend chat. This is what you guys are going to be printing for your friend chat. Okay? I would like you guys to go one more time to, could you please go to page 1? Page 1, double click on page 1. I would like to see the fixture names on it, the type of the fixture. Can you guys click on luminaire label? When you click luminaire label, it will assign A, B, C, D, E, F, G for your fixtures. Can you guys, this is in page 1. Click, double click on the graphic, go to A. It will activate your label. It will put a label next to every fixture. This is a great thing. Okay? All right, so now we have 4 sheets that you guys are going to print for Chad. When you're done, let me know. You're going to do the same thing for you guys are going to do the same thing for what? For the site, but not now. For the site, you're going to do the same thing. Cool? Any questions, any comments? Any questions, any comments? Now, this is just warming up. We haven't gone to CAD yet. I want you guys to make one more sheet now. One more sheet. These 1 through 4 are the ones you're going to print for your friend Chad. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We understand that 1 through 4 are the ones that are going to be print for me as part of your load calculation. The 5th one is the one that we're going to import to CAD. The 5th one is the one that you're going to import to CAD. This one is going to go to CAD. You're not going to print it. Cool? Okay, so let's go create another one. Page, copy. I have the 5th one. The first thing I would like you guys to do, do you guys have the 5th? Page 5 looks like this. Everybody got this? Right? Okay. So the 5th one, the first thing I would like you to do in the 5th one, a few things I would like you guys to do. Click on the frame and delete. Hit delete. I don't want the frame. Click on the frame and delete. Remember, this sheet is to go to CAD. I care less about the tile block. Thumbs up, Chad. We delete the frame. Second thing, double click on the graphic. And do you guys see all this calculation zone? Disable the calculation zone. Disable the calculation zone. So your calculation zone are disabled. And I would like you guys to assure me that yours look exactly like mine with all the labels on right next to the fixture. Very important you have the labels. Thumbs up, Chad. We have the labels. All the labels on every fixture. Cool. Now I'm going to go double click on it. Can you guys put the scale 1 to 1 here? It's going to be huge. Put the scale 1 to 1. It's going to be huge. Let me remind you, gentlemen, we're not going to print it. This is going to where? To CAD. So put your scale 1 to 1. 1 to 1. Again, it's going to be huge. So when you guys look at it, okay. So I got them. I got my scale 1 to 1 here. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's going to look something like this. Don't worry about the look of it. Again, we're going to take it to CAD. When you guys are there, give me thumbs up. 1 to 1. I want to make sure that you guys have, can you see that label F here next to the fixture? Everybody has this? Very essential. Cool? Let's go to CAD now. That's the one that you're going to go to take to CAD to Revit. And then we'll exit Excel. Visual. I want to make sure everybody's there with this step. Yes? No? Okay. Double click on it. Did you guys put 1 to 1? Do you have the label turned on? Here's the label. If you don't have, click on that label. You should have the label on. Okay. Did you guys click the label? You type block, delete it. Click on it and delete. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go take this file into CAD. The most important step. File. Export. Everybody's there? File, export. File, export. Select all. Select everything. File, export, select all. Okay. Now, I want you guys to export this one into your team folder. So I'm going to go all the way to my team folder. My team is Chad number 10. I'm going to go to the commercial project, drawings under, not drawing. I want to go, guys, under lighting. Lighting calculation, and call this plan view CAD. Can you guys name it plan view CAD? So when you look at it, this is plan view CAD and right next to a visual. So that will give me, this is an actually CAD coming from visual plan view. Thumbs up, Chad. So it's a plan view, right? It's a CAD coming from where? From visual. Cool? Or you can say CAD visual or something to indicate that it's the visual, the one that came from visual. The most important thing is the name visual. Okay, save it. Gentlemen, you have just exited visual. We're going to go to CAD now. Thumbs up. Everybody's good? Okay. Jamie? Work? No? I want this step to work, guys, because we cannot go to Revit without this step working. We can't go to Revit without this step working. You guys? Darren? You guys are working? Carrie and you guys are working? Adam? Okay. How about Zach and Jeff? You guys good? Jamie? Yes or no? It's not working? It will save it as a CAD file. So, okay. You do this one at the beginning. Go insert. And you and then get this one there, get the label off here, and just make it 1-to-1. And then, okay. Okay. Right? Now export it. Export and go export it. When you guys export it, please. Now I would like you to minimize this and go back to your CAD file, go to the network, go to where your team folder is, and to the CAD file that you saved. CAD file, which should be under lighting calculation. Here's the CAD file. Everybody's there? Double click on the CAD file. Now open CAD. Double click on the CAD file and open CAD. Call it plan view CAD visual, CAD/visual. Okay. Are you guys? Everybody's there? In your in the under electrical view lighting calculation. Yep. Lighting calculation. Zoom all. Do you guys see the? Do you see the stuff that I see here? Everybody can see that the label is right here. Still loading? Okay, not big deal. Wait. When you're done, it should look something similar to this. I want you guys to go to the bathroom. Just check in the bathroom when you're done. Make sure that there's a tiny little label right next to the fixture. Tiny little label right next to the fixture. Cool? When you guys are done, let me know.
You're supposed to be able to like zoom out all the way. I can't really zoom out.
Okay, go here, view, and hit. Where's my zoom? View, right here, or ZA, zoom all too. Hit here or here, zoom all, view all. Okay. Okay, let me know, guys, when everybody's there. When everybody's there, I would like thumbs up, Chad.
I missed that whole step because my visual is
Okay.
open up CAD.
You're gonna no. Did you export to CAD? Oh, yeah. You're gonna go open. Go double. Okay. Did you have this, Adam? Do you have this file? Okay. So did you export from visual to CAD?
No, I got it saved under my team folder in the lighting calculator.
Okay, go open it. Go there and double click on it and open it. It's gonna look something similar to this. Double click on the file and open the file, the CAD file. Okay. I need assurance from Aaron and Kerry and Andrew, guys. You're good there? Darren?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. Adam, let me know when you. How about you guys? Good. Okay. All right. So double click on it when you save it. Now you're in CAD. Okay. When you guys, the first thing you need to do here, I want to make sure that Adam, let me know when you're done. Going? How do we what? Okay. Z enter A or right here. View and click on zoom all. Cool? Adam, let me know when you're done cooking. You're good. The first thing I would like to do, guys, I would like to scale it. So I would like you guys to go home and scale. Do you see that scale here? Scale and box in the whole. I would like you guys to box in the whole building. Right? You box it in, right click. Oops. I have to do mine one more time. Here's my scale, home scale. And I'm going to go pick it up, right click. And then when you right click, pick this corner. Zoom in and pick one corner, the bottom corner. You need me to repeat that? Right click again, zoom, and box it in. So you selected the whole thing, right click. Now you need a reference point. Click this as a reference point. I would like you guys, when you reach this point, to give me a thumbs up. Everybody, we're scaling a drawing, basically, in CAD. Okay? When you reach this, go all the way down to the bottom and type 12. So basically, we're taking it from inches into what? Feet. And when you type 12, hit enter. So that should scale it down into feet. Okay? Should scale it down. Type 12, hit enter. Cool? Now let's go again. Z, enter, A, enter, or zoom all. And I would like you guys to go into this, the mechanical room. Do you guys remember the mechanical room? And I'm going to go check my scale. I'm going to go check my scale. I'm going to go home. Where's my scale now? Here you go. If you go under here, distance, I'm going to check the distance. Check distance, and let's see. This is a 2x4. This is a 4. I'm going to go make sure it's 4. Except it's 48 inches. Can you guys see it's 48 inches? But you guys, if you did the scale, I want you to do this step. I don't know if your units, are your units showing feet? Can you guys type units? Type units and hit enter. When you type units, hit enter. The length is in decimal right now. Can you guys change it to architectural? Change the length to architectural and hit OK. And then go to type D or go to utilities here. Click on distance. I'm going to verify. Click this. I'm going to verify the scale, basically. That's what I'm doing. And can you guys did you get 4 feet when you verified that one? This is the one in the mechanical room. Could you please verify, hit your ortho? My ortho. So when you verify, can you guys verify that this fixture is 4 feet? If it's not, your scale is not right. One more time. One more time. Can you guys see it? Zoom into this room. Go to utilities or distance, measure. I need to measure the distance. Why do I need to do that, guys? Just to verify that my scale is right. So I'm going to go to a fixture that I know. Grab one end of the fixture. Zoom into the other end of the fixture. Okay. Do you get and click? Do you guys see that this is that the scale is 4 feet? Did you verify everything before we move? Cool. Good enough. Yep. Yeah. Close to 12. Close to 4 feet. Everybody's okay? Darren, you guys are good? Because if you import it without the scale set, guess what's going to happen? It's not going to match. It's not going to match your building. Cool? Adam, do you need to walk you through it? Yes, no? Slow? Okay. Zach, is it working for you guys?
Yeah.
Okay. Working? Okay. Darren and Andrew, is it working? Yes, no? And Kerry and Aaron, is it working? Okay. Let me see what's the deal, Aaron. zoom into here, grab this corner, and now try to go out the bottom. Shift scale it. Very good. Now zoom all again, and let's go first line. Okay, now let's see. Go back to the. Oh, you click on this, and yeah, let's go change your units. 5 units. Just so give you a feel. Enter. Change this decimal into architectural, and okay. Hit OK again. Just OK. Yep, that's fine. And then just grab it and measure. See if gives you a feet now. Okay. Wow. No, we did something wrong. Yeah. We must have scaled it a couple of times. Did you see it? Okay. So we have to just close it and open it again. You must have scaled it a couple of times. That's all right. Close it and open it one more time. We'll wait for you. Give me 1 second here. Come in. Let me see. Here's what I would like you to go. Z enter, E enter, zoom all. Everybody verified that one fixture is 4 feet. That we know. Why did we do verify the scale, guys? Because we know that this fixture is 4-foot fixture. So it shows 4 foot. We're good. Before we export to CAD. Do me a favor. Save it. Save your folder. And as a matter of fact, you can go close in save CAD and close it. Save CAD and close it. Cool? Let's go open Revit now. Let's go all the way to Revit. Revit, go open Revit, please. The way we open Revit, guys, click on the project. Okay, open Revit. You can, okay, close CAD. CAD should be closed. We don't need it anymore. Okay. I'm waiting for mine to open. Okay, when you go here, please always go open and all the way to the network and to your team folder, always this way, please. And commercial, design, Revit, electrical, You can open, both of you can open that file in Revit, but I want one to import. You can be a Revit. Okay, so we open it, override existing. Okay, so I'm waiting for my Revit model to load, guys. Waiting for my Revit model to load. Okay, everybody, when your Revit model is up, can you give me thumbs up, please? Okay. Okay, good. When you guys are ready, you good? Zach and Jeff, it's loading. You guys are good? Okay. Zach, good. Adam, loading. Kerry, good. Okay. All right. I would like you guys to go. Here's what we're going to be doing next. I want you guys to go under lighting. Everybody goes, oops, under lighting. I want you to click on ceiling, lighting ceiling, remember that? And zoom into your Revit. Zoom into your Revit. So get a view like similar to this and make sure you are where? Ceiling lighting. Everybody's there? See where I am? Ceiling lighting, and you have a view similar to this. Cool? Now yours guys, yours might have or will have all the power, right? You guys have all the power shown? Everybody have all your power shown? Might and might not here.
Why do we have like a couple stray, like a GFCI here and there?
Yes, leave them. We're coming to this. Okay, we'll come to this. We'll come to this. Okay, so I want you guys to let me know you're there. Cool. The first thing we need to do is we will need to go clean this view. Hit VV. VV is like turning layers on and off. Now, I want to remind you, gentlemen, the only thing that needs to be in this view is what? Lights, and nothing but lights. Okay, so I want you guys, the first thing to do is go look here. Can you guys see all these visibility view? I want you to go electrical equipment. I want to leave the electrical equipment. Can you see where it says electrical equipment? That's your panels. I want to leave them. Do you see underneath the electrical fixtures? Unclick the electrical fixtures. So these are all your receptacles and disconnects and blah, 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 and all this good stuff. Done? Unclick that one. Okay, let's go down again. HVAC, lighting devices. Do you see where it says lighting devices and lighting fixture? Make sure these are there. Clicked, right? Let's keep going. So we're cleaning the view, basically. Mechanical equipment. Is your mechanical equipment clicked?
No.
Unclick it if it's clicked. Okay, mine is not. Near call devices. We don't have near call devices. Unclick this one too, but we're not using it. So we don't want to see it near. Okay. Security devices. Do you see security devices? Unclick this one. I don't want security devices. Okay. Telephone devices. Do you guys see telephone devices? Unclick that one. Okay. So everybody did that? Okay. And do you guys, is your view clean?
I actually got some disconnect.
Some disconnects? Okay. Disconnects are mechanical equipment. So let's go one more time. Let's do VV again. VV again. And go to the electrical equipment and unclick the electrical equipment. Just one time. Just one time. Unclick it. Electrical equipment and OK it. You should have a clean view. Cool? If you have a views like this, don't worry about the cuts because we can hide them. Okay? I do have a couple of fixtures here. I'm going to delete them myself here so I can have the same view like you. Okay. Thumbs up, Chad, when we have a clean. Now remember, if we want to bring the electrical fixtures, we can bring them at any time. The electrical fixtures, the switchgear. We have a view clean like that. Let's go import in here. So I'm going to go File, Insert, Import CAD. Okay, now which CAD do you think I'm going to go import? I'm going to go all the way back to the one that we just did, my friends. Okay, oops, I want to go to Commercial Project. Make sure you import the right CAD. Under Lighting Calculation, here's the CAD that I want to import. The one that we just got from where? From Visual. The one that we got from Visual. When you are there, guys, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you pick the right one. Pick the wrong one, no problem. We can import again. Everybody got that one? Yes, no? Cool. Okay, okay, open. Now I'm importing the layout of my fixtures from CAD into Revit. Okay?
So it's gonna take.
Let's take a little while. Cool. Aaron, does it make sense? Yes, no? Okay. Close that out. Okay. A view. Okay. Now, when it comes, guys, it might be hidden somewhere. Did you guys see yours? Okay. And let's, can we go to floor plan lighting and see if it's there? Floor plan lighting. Okay. Do you see it in floor plan lighting? Go to floor plan lighting. Do you see it, guys? Do you see it? Is it overlapping with your stuff? Can you guess? Is it completely overlapped with yours or no? No? Okay. If not, you expand it a little bit. If it's not overlapping, we're going to go pick it up. Let me see if I can pick it up without picking up the model. Oops. Let me click on okay. Okay, right here. Can you guys see it? It's came right at the bottom here. It's coming right at the bottom here. If you expand your view, let me see if I can see it in the ceiling lighting. Ceiling lighting here. I bet you might be actually coming from here. Let me see if it's coming. Okay. I don't think it's coming in this view. Okay, it's not here, so we have to move it to the ceiling level. Okay, let's go back to floor plan. Can you guys see the floor plan here? I have a bunch of you know, before we go ahead, is yours messy like mine? Does you have a mess like this in yours? Let's go clean it. Let's do VV here. One more time, please. VV. And I want you to go to imported categories. Do you guys see a multiple CAD files coming here? I have commercial, blah, blah, blah here. Unclick this. I don't want this. This is imported categories. And I don't want the symbol here in this view. The only thing that you want, guys, is a plan view CAD. I don't think I need the families too. Can you guys make sure under imported categories you have plan view CAD visual? Everybody's okay with that? Yes? No? Okay, let's go one more time. Go VV, VV. When you go here, go to imported categories. Yes? Okay. Unclick everything except the one that says CAD visual, the one that we brought from visual. Cool? And okay. So that should clean your view a little bit. Is your view clean, guys, a little bit? Yes, no? Okay. Let's go back. When you expand your view, guys, do you see where the CAD file that we brought here? Can you drag it and drop it right at the top of your building? Right at the top of your building? Did you expand? Did you go to floor plan? Okay, let me just see where you are. Then it's not scaled. Where's in it? Let me just go over the view range. You guys see the cut plan and the bottom of the top? We're cutting at 4, meaning we brought a saw and we cut the building at 4 feet right here. Right? That's what the view range. So we can see we're cutting at 4 and all the way to level 2, between level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is the floor, level 2 is the ceiling, and we can see, and we're cutting at 4. So if we go higher than level 1, you can't see. Higher than level 1, higher than level 2 at the top, you can't see, and lower than level 1, you cannot see. So you can only see from floor to ceiling, and you're cutting at 4. Cool? So I want you to do one thing here. For one time only, can you guys go put 0 in the front of this? Remember how we moved it up 10? It was too high. Can you go put 10? Offset 10 so I can see the top and hit apply. Do you guys see the lighting stuff that we brought? Yes?
I can't access the bottom.
The top here.
Yeah, I got that.
Yeah, just put 10 and hit apply. That's the only thing you need to change.
We're on the one that we have that we import the CAD out to. Is that the one we're changing? Over to the left where it says bottom.
Yeah.
I can't access.
Yeah, you don't have to do anything with it. The only thing I would like you just to put 10 here and hit apply.
Yep, I got that.
Do you see the stuff? Hit apply. Do you see the CAD coming back? Okay, let me see what you're sitting up. Your sitting might be slightly different than mine. Okay, everybody else did? Go ahead and now we're going to offset it instead of 10. I'm going to go offset 9 because the ceiling is 9. That was a mistake that we did. I did, not you. Put 9, will ya? Everybody got the offset 9 and apply it? Okay? Offset 9 and apply it. One more, click on it and make sure that it's offsetted base offset 9. Everybody's there? Cool? Yes, no? It takes a second. Okay, when you're done with this, when you do the offset, can you guys go to ceiling lighting and make sure you can see it under ceiling lighting? One of your views in ceiling. Oops, why do I have my... I don't want this. Okay. Can you guys see under ceiling? Can you see what we imported on the ceiling now? Yes? I need every team. Yes here. Yes here. You guys are yes. Darren? Under ceiling. See where I'm? Ceiling plan, ceiling lighting. Can you see it? Carrie? No? Okay, let's see. Okay, now the view, do you see floor here? Okay, so let's go to the view. It was there. Okay. Okay, let's go VB and see where the heck is it. Yeah. What carry? Is it there? I don't see it. But it's not there. No? Is it one of these files? No, it's not there. It's not there. Yeah. Okay. You just synchronize? Okay. No, you have it, right? Are you guys in the same file? Okay, so why would okay, and here elaborate, synchronize now. Okay. I think because you guys are working. How many of you guys are working at the same time when export and import in that function? You see, you got that one? Okay. Yeah, that's a synchronization issue. Reload the language. Yeah. You're there. You're there. It's just you're not seeing. Can I do one thing here? Right now? Close the file. Let me see how it goes with that. And then once you guys are good here, you're working on the same file, right? Okay, so why is it when we synchronize it works slow? Let me see how it opens for you. I'll hold a second here. I want you guys to. Okay. Two things. Do me a favor. Number one, can you see what we imported in floor plan lighting? Everybody thumbs up, Chad? Cool. Let's go to ceiling lighting. Under ceiling plans lighting, can you see what we imported? Yep. Okay. Now let's start with cleaning. I want you guys to come over here. Make sure you are in the ceiling lighting under ceiling plan. Everybody's there? Everybody's there? Okay. Now let's go VV. Go to imported categories. VV imported categories. I want you. Are you guys there? Okay, 7 synchronize. When you're there, expand a couple of things when you're here. When you're here, a couple of things, please. Let me know when you guys are there. Make sure you unclick anything other than what you imported, which is plan view CAD visual. Everybody's there? Cool. Expand it. Can you guys see? You know how to expand the plan view? Two things. Number one, make sure under imported categories, everything is unclicked except the plan view CAD visual, the one that you brought. Thumbs up? Yes? Okay. Now underneath it, I want you guys to unclick the following. Keep from the top. Keep clicking. Unclick. All these, I don't care about them. Careless. Labels. Do you see where labels are? Leave them. So unclick. I want labels. Go back. Location. Lumineers. Do you see lumineers? Leave them. That's your fixtures. So I'm going to clean the view, guys. What I'm doing, I'm cleaning the view. Okay, unclick everything basically except labels and fixtures. Everybody can see that everything is unclicked except labels and fixtures. Thumbs up, Chad. Now, when you're there, right next to labels, can you guys see where it says click on it? Do you see override? Right?
What about text and templates and stats and all that stuff underneath it?
Labels and luminaires for the time being. That's all what I care. Labels and luminaires. If we made a mistake, you can come back and then click them. The only two things I need, guys, from this is where the fixtures are and what the label is. That's all what I care. I don't care about everything else. Can you click on labels right next to it? Do you see override? Now, Carrie, do you remember you could not find your fixtures because they were yellow and your eyes are like mine? Don't work good. So click on this and override color. I like to put them blue. I don't know about you guys. Override takes a couple of seconds of monkeying around here. Takes a couple of seconds. Pick the color blue for the fixtures. Yeah, it did happen to me. Don't worry. It takes a couple of seconds. Please be patient. Be patient, unlike me. If it doesn't, click on it. Click on blue. You might have to cancel and click again. Click on blue and make the label blue. Okay? The same thing. Can you guys see the blue? I made the label blue. Can you see the luminaires? Override the luminaire. Click on color. Make the luminaire blue and OK. So, and OK. Make sure can you guys see how these two are blue? They will show up as blue. Aaron, everybody? One more time. You click on it, override. Here's the color. Click, pick the color blue. You can pick any color. Blue is good to look at. Okay, everybody, guys, and then OK. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We did that. When you're done, hit OK. Do you see what I see? Do you see what I see? Should I start singing here? Do you see what I see? Everybody's cool? Jeff, Darren, can you see your fixtures now? Everybody can see their fixtures? Okay, now, good point. Good point. My friend here is saying his electrical. Do you guys see power and receptacles and all this junk?
I put in the GFCIs I put in yesterday.
Okay. Okay, now let's clean it more. Go VV again. And let's go here. Can you guys see that visibility right in here with model? Make sure you unclick everything. Well, not everything. Let's keep going down. Don't click everything. Make sure the electrical equipments are unclicked. Make sure your electrical fixtures are unclicked, right? Make sure, I think we did that one. Make sure your lighting fixtures are clicked. Lighting fixtures, do you see that? We want them. Make sure your lighting, can you guys see that? Make sure your, what else? So make sure your telephone is unclicked. The only thing, don't miss with anything else. The telephone is unclicked. Okay, and then hit OK, and you should have a clean copy like mine. Can I have thumbs up, Chad, when everybody's okay? Yeah. All right, you're clean. Awesome. Okay. I would like you guys to give me a thumbs up when everybody's at this point, please. Yes? No?
Yeah, why our power now has all the windows and stuff on it?
Yes, because we're going to do the same thing in power. Just hold your horses. We're gonna go clean power. Yep, absolutely. We're gonna go clean power, guys. Good point. Good point. I'm gonna go, guys, zoom a little bit on mine. Remember that one here. I'm gonna zoom on it and just close it a little bit. I don't know if yours is too big. I'm gonna just close it so I can zoom in the area that I need because I'm done with bringing things. Okay. Do you guys, everybody see that? Cool. Thumbs up, cool. Okay, now you're gonna drop, you're in the ceiling. You're gonna drop all your fixtures first, you're gonna drop your fixtures. And anything in the ceiling must be dropped here. All your fixtures and all your occupancy sensors. Let's go drop fixtures and occupancy sensors. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna go, guys, into home. Electrical, lighting fixtures, everybody's there. We're gonna go drop lighting fixture, click on these. Now here's all my options for lighting fixtures. If you click here, I have lighting, balanced power connector. I have the plain recessed lighting fixtures. These are the only options that I have for lighting fixture.
Oh, we're using visual as a template to drop our pictures in?
Yes, you got it. We're losing visual as a template. That's all. You're not done with your fixtures. You're going to drop them now. Okay.
It was easier than that. If it was boom, we were done.
I know. Do me a favor. We do have the fixtures for you. Do you guys see the label next to them? Are the labels shown? Oops. The labels are not shown. We're doomed. Are they? Oh, yeah, they're here. Oh, shoot. Don't worry about them. Here's the label. Here's fixture A. They're small, so small, but all what you need to know is the fixture type A, so you can drop type A fixture here. Cool? Okay. Everybody's there. Can you guys see that? Okay. Now, excuse me. I want you guys go to import. We're going to insert, load families. Load families. We're going to go load the fixtures. Click, go all the way to the instructor folder, all the way to the network instructor folder. Everybody's there? Instructor folder, Revit, Revit Families 2011. Do you see lighting fixtures and lighting fixture acuity brands? All the families that you want are actually in lighting fixtures here. We grab them for you right in here. And also, if you want to dig more, the families are all the acuity brands. Revit families are under here, guys. Zipped file. You don't need to dig in here, but if you need more, you can unzip these files and dig in here. Okay, here's what you need. Go lighting fixture, click on the first one, click on the last one, group select, and load these boys. These are the fixtures that you need. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? These are my fixtures that I need. Cool? Everybody's there? Group select and load them. So I'm loading all the fixtures that the families, guys, that we have into my project. Cool? Okay, now I'm going to go to, then this is where I'm going to go drop one in the bathroom, guys. Show you a couple of things when it loads. Drop one, the fixture in the bathroom. Did you guys load them? Everybody load?
That says they can't be loaded.
Okay. Did you guys have some that says cannot be loaded?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's see this fixture. You know what? I'm really interested in the shape of the fixture here. I really don't. So let's go to the bathroom. Can you guys go with me to the bathroom here? Not literally, virtually. Okay. Can you guys see the fixture? What type of fixture are you using, Jeff, in the bathroom? Fixture B. I have B. I don't know what yours is. Yours is B. Okay. So what the heck is a fixture B? I'm going to go to my schedule in visual and see what the fixture B. You need to find what type of fixture B here. Floor plan. Okay. So that was, what is that? 2 p.
The 2 p.m. 3 m.
Okay, 2 p.m. 3 m. So let me just tell you where you find this info. You're going to go to your schedule. Can you guys see fixture B? Fixture B is a 2 p.m. 3 m. Everybody can see that? Now, if you guys print this one heavy handy in front of you, it will make your life easier, right? So how do you do that? You come over here to fixture, right here, print. Do you remember how we dropped the luminary schedule here? Shoot it to the printer, have it handy in front of you. Okay, I have, mine is right now is, what did we say? Oops, let's see, back again. My fixture is a 2 p.m. 3 m. Okay, so I know that this is a fixture I'm going to be using. Let's go back to Revit. Okay, now let's go home. fixtures, lighting fixture, and see if we can find this PM3N. Here's my PM3N. Can you guys see my PM3N? Here's my PM recessed. Rent these. My PM3N is right here. PM3N. Okay. So I'm gonna go grab that boy, and where am I here? From the ceiling view. Why it's not allowing me to drag it? Okay, one more time. Let's go fixtures. I'm gonna go drop in basically. Fixtures, PM3N. Why it's not allowing me? Okay, I have PM3N here. PM3N. Please. Let me try another fixture. One more time. Home fixture. Let's try one. I hate these fixtures. Okay, let's try. It's a 2x4, guys. It's a 2x4. So 2x4 120. You can really get anyone 2x4 120. Click on. I clicked on 2x4. Place on face. Can you guys see where it says place on face? Place on face. And I'm holding in my hand a fixture, a 2x4. And it really, don't sweat it too hard, guys, if it's not the actual fixture that you did. As long as it matches in shape, I'm okay with it. So, one more time. Let's see. Some of these fixtures are not, the families are not. Okay, so go here. Lighting fixtures. One more time. Okay. Home. Do you guys see electrical? Lighting fixtures. Cool. Everybody's good? Click on lighting fixture. Then it gets you all the lighting fixture that's loaded in your project, right? All the lighting fixtures. The one that we were looking at, what is it again? PM3N. This one, that was the one that we were looking at, based on fixture B. But there's one problem. I think the families is what? Yeah. So this one is not allowing me to load. Can you guys, is yours loaded? So it's not allowing me to load. Is yours loading? Okay. Since not allowing me to load, I'm going to use any. So I'm going to go, since it's not allowing me, guys, to make it easier, go to lighting fixture and grab any 2x4. It's a 2x4. So go all the way to recess. Can you guys see recessed here? Do you have recessed? Grab a voltage. The most important thing is the voltage. I have a voltage 122x4. Everybody got that one? Good enough. Darren, click on that one. Do you guys see it in your hand?
Is it really skinny?
Yeah, hold on a second. Skinny. Now, do you see that bind here? It says place on face. This is now it's sitting this way. I'm going to flip it. So place on face, it becomes big, fat, and fluffy. Place on face, because I'm going to place it on the ceiling. Everybody got that? One more time. Let's go fixtures, lighting fixtures. Oops, now we need to synchronize. You guys got it? Now I need to synchronize. Okay, yep. So place, here's my 2x4. Place on face. Can you guys see it? Now if you hit the, what do you call that, the space bar, if you hit the space bar, you can orient it. Can you guys see I'm orienting it, hitting the space bar? You can hit the space bar to orient it. There you go. And just to the best of your ability, drop it right at the top of it. Right at the top of it. Okay? And let's go to the second bathroom, drop it right at the top of it, and hit escape. I have two fixtures that I just dropped in Revit. Can you guys see when you click on them, the elevation? What does the elevation show? Okay. Can I have thumbs up when you guys drop two? One at the top of each? Okay. I would like you to go click on the first one in the male's bathroom. Cool. And do you see elevation? What does the elevation say? 9 feet. We're good. If you didn't see 9 feet, gentlemen, you have just placed your fixture in the floor. 9 feet. Can I have thumbs up, chat? So it's hosted in the ceiling.
So,
you got it. You are not. When we're done, That blue stuff, turn it off. This is just a blueprint, so we don't have to worry about where to place these fixtures.
So
Template.
If right now, if our label is not a letter, then we
Don't worry about the label, that tiny little label. This is just for you to find that closest to that fixture. Then we're going to label them properly. Okay? Did you drop it? Are you working in a ceiling floor? Can you see where ceiling plans, ceiling lighting?
2 inches for the elevation.
Okay. And let me see here. So I dropped these. Let's go drop an occupancy sensor. Occupancy sensors, guys, if you go home, electrical, I believe they are under, I'm going to say, let's go lighting fixtures. Where the heck were they? Under devices. Let's look under devices. I think they are under devices. Receptacle, we're not loading them. Okay, we're not loading any yet. So can you guys go load, insert, load, go to, we're loading the occupancy sensor because we need an OC sensor here. Go to electrical components. I think they're under information and communication, if I remember right. Building control, and here's what I have: occupancy sensor dual relay, occupancy sensor low voltage, occupancy sensor regular voltage. Here's your arc sensors. These are your arc sensors. Cool. We need where all of them are ceiling. You can load any one of them. The ones that we're using, guys, occupancy sensors are the ceiling ones. So do me a favor, grab the low voltage occupancy sensor, because we have, why low voltage? Because we have a lighting control panel. So grab that low voltage occupancy sensor and load it. Everybody saw the occupancy sensors, where they're located? Cool.
It says Revit cannot load the following files. Some or all the family files you said it cannot be loaded.
And you did insert, load family, and you went to electrical components. Anybody else got this message? No? Okay, why don't you give it one more shot? Okay, so let's go. When we load it, guys, let's go here. I think if you go electrical devices, should bring it under devices. It can't be loaded. Okay. Let me just see what's lighting fixtures. Okay, lighting fixture balancer. Okay, I have to check what you guys are.
It's under, are you trying to find them?
Yeah, under.
I had to go under devices and there's a little drop down arrow.
Yeah.
Click that and then it's under lighting.
Thank you. Devices, I haven't been there. Okay, thank you. You have to expand that one. So if you guys go lighting devices, I'll be with you in a second here. Lighting, and it should show you the occupancy sensor. When you drag it, now we have occupancy sensor. Go to place on face, and you got yourself an occupancy sensor. Drop it right one here, and drop one right here.
Which one?
Yeah, we have sensor low voltage passive infrared. Let's see what the technology. Ultra, passive infrared, ultrasonic. Let's do any one of them for the time being until we get into, it really doesn't matter for us at this point. Okay? How many of you guys were able to do this?
Mine is only letting me attach it to the wall.
Because did you place on face? Place on face? Okay. Click on it. Make sure, guys, when you click on it, does it say 9 feet? It's in the ceiling? Does it say 9 feet like mine? It's in the ceiling. Okay. All right. So then when you drop your lighting fixture, go electrical, see where it says devices, expand the devices, unlike CAD. And this will give you all the devices that you have. It's going to be a lighting device. Click on lighting device, and that will get you all the lighting devices that we have. For example, I have occupancy sensor and switches. Do you guys see, as long as we're here, do you guys see dimmer, door, four-way switches, key switches, low voltage switch? Do you see the low voltage switch they need to drop later on? Here's your low voltage switches, pilot switches, single, 3, and timer. This is all what you need for switching. Not now. The only thing we're going to drop here is the occupancy sensor because they are in the ceiling. That's the only reason we dropped them. Okay? Okay, so we got, I got my 2 fixtures right in here. Now, I'm going to go drop a couple of other fixtures here. What was the fixture here that we used? This is fixture A. What was A? If you guys go to visual, A was, what was A fixture? A fixture. A fixture, let me click out of here. I'm going to go A fixture. A fixture was a C fixture, C232, okay? So it's basically a 1x4 fixture, okay? So now I'm going to go try to find that. I'm going to go drop this fixture, guys. I'm going to go drop one more fixture, electrical, lighting fixtures. Let me try to find that C fixture. Okay, do we have okay, AC? Here's a C. Here's a C fixture. I can't bring the C fixture. Don't sweat it too hard. Don't sweat it too hard. All what I want you guys to do is go find yourself a fixture that's going to be so let's go grab one. It's a 1x4 fixture. 1x4. Okay? Place on face. And here's your fixture 1x4. Grab a fixture 1x4 and put it right there. 1x4. Now these are and here's my fixture 1, fixture 2, fixture 3, and all the way to fixture 4. Can you guys see it lined up? I have 4 fixtures. 4 fixtures. Did you guys drop 4 fixtures? Drop 4 fixtures? Cool. 4 fixtures. We dropped 4 fixtures. Okay. Now, let me tell you, gentlemen, at this point, I'm not too interested too much about the exact fixture in Revit, as long as you find one that's close to it. Cool? Okay. I want to verify that these are sit at 9 inches. I think Revit model is sitting. Well, we'll get into the height, the third height. Okay, now, how do they want to switch the one in the mechanical room? How do they want to switch the one in the mechanical room? Anybody knows? The mechanical room. Your teacher doesn't know even. Here, let's go back. I think it's a switch, isn't it? It's a low voltage or high voltage switch. I think it's a switch, but I can't remember if it's low or high. Mechanical room, what was the size of mechanical room? Lunchroom. Parking lot. Okay, where the heck did it go? Okay, receiving room. Switches, high or low? High, low voltage. Does it say low voltage switch? Does it? Okay, if it doesn't say low voltage, then it's switch. Okay, I want to take you guys. Now we're done with laying out the fixtures. I want to take you back to lighting. Go back to floor lighting. Could you please go back to floor lighting? Could you please go back to floor plan? When you're done laying out your fixture, you guys are going to do that. When you're done, you're going to go there. Do you see an ugly view like this? Okay, let's go clean it. You see an ugly view. Everybody is in a floor plan lighting. Yes, let's go clean it. VV. Imported categories. I do not want this. Remember, I think this one, guys, mistakenly, remember that one will give you the name, the commercial. So you might have to go get this one that was, I can't remember the text that give you the name of the location. That's very important, I believe. So get this one cleaned up. What was it? Text, something text, frame text, I think. Give me the location. Oops, leave one. Okay, let me see if that will clean it up a little bit. So, okay, do I see the names? Anybody remember what was that, the layer that for, I can't. What, do you see the text when you did? Okay, maybe I didn't, okay, I didn't zoom enough. One more time. Could you please go VV? Could you please go VV? Imported categories. Two things you need to do. Two things you need to do. Do you guys see plan view CAD? Unclick plan view CAD. That's the CAD. We don't care in this view. Can you guys go to electrical and make sure this layer is turned on and okay? So you should be able to see what I'm looking at right now. If not, can you guys let me know, please? Can you see your fixtures? Clean. Do you guys see any power stuff here? Do you see power? If you see power, what do you do like I do? I want you guys to go to, please, leave the power equipment. Electrical equipment, leave them. Electrical devices, electrical fixtures. Let's see if we can, I think we can get rid of them. But okay, but what happened if you get rid of them? Yeah, okay. Okay, now let's go. I have a fixture here extra. Okay. Let's go circuit. Can you guys see that these two rooms, everybody can see these two rooms? Yes, no? Everybody can see these two rooms, gentlemen? Okay. I want to drop a switch for these fixtures here. So I'm going to go electrical, switches. Do you see here? Switches. And this is a high voltage switch, not an occupancy sensor. So I'm going to go all the way under switches and get a single pole switch. Did you guys get there? Single pole switch. Are you holding a single pole switch in your hand? Zoom in right next to the door and drop that switch. Can you guys see that? I dropped the switch. I dropped the switch. I dropped a switch right next to the, did you guys drop a switch? Okay. One more time. Electrical devices. You can go here and grab a switch. When you go in the back, scroll down, find a single pole switch and drop it. Thumbs up, Chad. Okay. It's not a low voltage. They didn't say low voltage, single pole. Okay, cool. Can you guys click on the switch and see what's the height for the switch? Can you guys see when you click on it? Do you see a 4-foot height for the switch? That's good. Didn't mean you're good. Your switch is a 4-foot.
What's the little box?
The little box is a tag. That's your tag. That's your tag. Okay. Cool. Okay, gentlemen. Let's go circuit. The first thing I would like to do is to go circuit. I'm going to go circuit them. I'm going to click on the first. Now, how am I going to circuit them? Do you guys remember the circuiting criteria? Circuit criteria was no more than 18 in one circuit. I want to put these two rooms, two bathrooms, and on one circuit. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fixtures in one circuit. Not bad. I'm going to start with this fixture. Click on it. Do you see where it says, where this my power now went? Do you see right here it says power? Okay. Now when you click on a fixture, there are two options. One switch and one power. You need to power the fixture and then you need to go assign a switch for it. Make sense? Okay, so let's go click on the power. Click on the power. Okay, gentlemen, clicked on the power. Select panel, like we did with the receptacle. Go down here. Where do you guys think do you see a lighting panel? Anybody knows why we don't have a lighting panel? It's not, it doesn't have a distribution pattern on it. Okay, before we do that, do me a favor. Can you go to tag tag by category, and tag your panels. Tag your panels one more time. Tag by category. Tag your panels so you know where they are. Yours are showing up. Turn them on. Turn equipment on, will you? One more time. If yours are not showing up, do VV and go to electrical equipment and turn them off, please. See the electrical? You need the panels. Turn them on. Okay. Now when you turn them on, go tag them. So this is, oops, this one is my mechanical panel. Click on the lead. I don't want the lead. Here's my mechanical, oops, my mechanical panel is right here. So why don't you tag them, guys? Go again. Annotate, tag by category, and click on the lead. You don't want the lead, and tag them. Where did it go? There you go. There you go. And at least the panels, okay? And then you get the name, like I do here. And then remove the panel, kind of situate them so you can see them. Can you guys see that? Cool. So here's my panels. You need to know where your panels are. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We got our panels. Okay, I want you guys to click on the lighting panel. Why lighting panel? We're doing lighting, gentlemen. So lighting panel. When you click on it, I want you to verify the following. Number one, do you have maximum number of single pole 42? When you click on the panel? Do you have 225 amp frame? The only thing that we're missing, gentlemen, is distribution. Can you guys say distribution system? Everybody can see that? Go pick 208. Now this panel is ready to accept circuits. Gentlemen, yes, no? Ready to accept circuits. Okay? All right, so now apply, and guess what, my friend Andrew? You are up and running with a panel that accepts. Okay. Reverse function. Let's go back again into my fixture here. Click on the fixture. I need to power it. I already have select. Do you see select panel? Click on select panel. Do you guys see lighting panel now showing up? Select lighting panel. Now it's circuited. Now I want to go circuit again, add edit circuit, and add exactly like we did receptacles, Zach. Add to circuit. And now, can you guys see how I add to circuit? They're in exactly like we added receptacle, you add light. So I'm going to go pick up this light, and pick up this light, and pick up this light, and this light, and this light. When I'm done, I have all these 6 lights. I'm finished. Gentlemen.
You want to choose our occupancy?
Oh, hold on a second. Hold your horses. Occupancy says switch. So let's go, you guys go home. Where's the a view? I think it's on a view. Can you guys do me a favor? Click on view and make sure under view, can you guys have system browser, electrical, power, lighting panel. Here's my first circuit. Gentlemen, I have my first circuit.
How do you get the LP panel in there again? You can select it.
Okay, one more time. You grab, oops, let me just go here. You grab a click, then edit, then here's a select panel.
Right. I think I didn't select the 12208.
You mean the distribution system for it. Okay, you select the panel and go to distribution system at the end. Here's a panel, Jeff. And if you go all the way down at the bottom, you got it? Okay, so you're ahead of me, man. What am I supposed to do now? Am I the slowest kid in the class here? Okay. All right, so if you guys click on any of these, it will give you the circuit. Here's the circuit that we just, circuit number 1. Everybody can see that? How do you get the one on the right? You can go that view that has a circuiting. Do you guys remember if you go to view and under user interface, can you get the system browser? It's very powerful when you're doing circuiting to make sure view user interface under system browser, make sure the system browser is clicked so you can see all your circuits on the lighting panel. Thumbs up, Chad? Yes, no? Okay, so we got our fixtures. We got our fixtures circuited. Now, if you click here, guys, it will ask you about load name. Can you guys see where it says load name here? You're gonna load name. This is gonna be load name. This is gonna be bathroom. Type bathroom and mechanical room. So that will be your, and later on, guys, bathroom, you have to put the numbers here. You have to put, let's just do the numbers. What was the number here? Thank you. Bath room 113 and 114, or both of them. Let's just say bath R 113 and 114, and mechanical room. What was the mechanical room? 117, 116. Thank you. So that's the name of the circuit. Apply. If you guys didn't do this, later on when you do the schedule, this will show your schedule. Will show the name of the circuit in your schedule. Under yes, load name. Thank you. Okay. You can type. Let's go assign a switch, guys. Let's go assign. We can do this in a schedule. Kerry, when we do the schedule, we get back to this. Let's go assign a switch. Click on one circuit, on one fixture. If you guys come over here, it says this fixture have been circuited but needs switch. Can you guys see that? Click on a switch. Now, when you click on Mr. Switch, it says select a switch. Can you guys see where select a switch? Okay, now I'm going to go physically, mechanically, and pick that. See that one? I'm going to go pick this occupancy sensor as my switch. Okay. Edit switch system. And you can add, I need one fixture or two here. Is it one fixture? One fixture. One fixture, then finish. So this fixture, gentlemen, has been switched by this occupancy sensor. This fixture have been assigned an occupancy sensor. Let's go to the second fixture.
Is there any way to check?
Yes, in a second here. Good point. How am I going to check? Click on the occupancy sensor, guys. And do you see where it says switch ID? Right here. Let's say OS occupancy sensor 1. I'm going to call this as OS1. Occupancy sensor 1. Name it. Okay, click on the fixture. And the fixture, do you see where it says switch ID OS1?
No.
Now we know that there's a tie together, right? Okay. let's do one more. I'm going to go, guys, circuit one more time, please. Click on this fixture, assign a switch for it. Here's my switch. I'm going to go select the switch. I have the other occupancy sensor for this, right? And then edit system and finish. I'm finishing with this. I'm going to name it. Let's name this occupancy sensor. Click on this occupancy sensor. This is going to be OS2, occupancy sensor 2. Done. Let's go to the second building next to it, right here. I'm going to grab, now this is the mechanical room. I'm going to do the mechanical room. Click on this, select the switch, select the switch. Here's my switch that's going to switch it. Cool. Edit switch system, add to system, add this one, and this one, and this one to my switch system, and finish. Did you guys see what I did? Now I have a switch. Now let's name the switch. The switch right here. Oops, did I say switch? Where's his ID? Where's my, okay, switch ID. What are we going to call this one? Let's call this one switch. This is A, little a. Okay, just type little a here, and it will show next to it. Here's my switch A. And if you click on any of these fixtures, right next to the switch, it says switch ID A. This means this fixture switched from switch A. Can you guys see that? And this fixture, the switch is labeled A. I hate the label that they came up with.
Don't do that one more time.
Okay, click on the switch. when you come to the side here, do you see where it says switch ID? Type A. So that will be switch A. If there's a B, it'll be B, C, D, little a, a smaller letter A. Okay? Then if you go, Jeff, if you go to verify, click on any of these fixtures that you circuited and switched. Do you see that they are switched from switch A and circuited from circuit 1? Cool? Gentlemen, you have just entered Revit lighting, circuiting, and switching.
How did you get the A by the switch though?
Click on the switch. Does your switch come with a tag? Okay. Any question, guys? Any question? The last thing I want to do, guys, is tag. We're going to go tag. I'm going to go tag. Let's start with, so we circuited these two areas here. I'm going to go tag him. I want you guys to go to annotate, tag. Okay, synchronize, Chad. Annotate, tag, synchronize with central. Okay, one more time. I need to annotate, tag. I don't have any tag. Do you guys have any tags? Tag by category. Do you guys have any tag loaded? Allows you to do. Okay. Let me see if we have a tag loaded anyway. Tag by category. Okay, I'm going to put my switch. Okay. Here you go. Can you guys see that? Click on it. Absolutely. Tag by category. You get this tag. You get the following. You get a lighting fixture. You get switch and circuit and switch. That's exactly what we want. Can you guys see the tag that you got? The only thing that's missing out of this tag is what? Lighting fixture type. You have one is for the switch. No, one is for the circuit. OS1 is the switch. I need the say with me. I need the fixture type. I don't know where they get it. Let me just do one little thing here and see where they pulled that sucker from. Edit. I think they're getting it from do you see type mark? Under type mark. Got it. You don't have to do what I did here. Ignore that. No, don't do that. Okay. Okay, now click. Do me a favor. Click on this fixture. Click on this fixture. Edit type. And do you see where it says type mark? Way at the end, I think should be type mark. Everybody see that? Type. This fixture was type A, right? Remember that from visual? Type A. Type capital A. Apply it. And done. Okay, can you guys see now all these, this fixture is type A, switch 1, occupancy sensor 1. Can you guys see that? One more time. Everybody can see that? I don't want the lead, so I'm going to get it and I put it right in here.
Did you just tag by category?
Okay, one more time. Let me do it one more time. Well, don't worry, we're in the tag.
Yeah, the tag and then coming up with the switch.
No problem. Okay, no problem. Let's go one. Okay. Do you see the tag next to the fixture? Any tag? Okay, so you tag. Go to the switch first, the occupancy sensor. Did you guys name it right here where it says switch ID? Okay. Go to the fixture. Click on the fixture. Edit type. Did you name that fixture type A here? Type A, just type A. Right here, type mark, type A. One more time. Edit type. Did you guys put type A here? Yes? There. Yeah, whatever type your fixture is. Whatever type your fixture is. Thank you. Okay. Can you guys see this? Still not? Darren? Do you see him or no?
I don't have a tag next to it.
Okay, now you don't have, yeah, annotate, tag by tag category, and go touch him. Does it show? Okay, you show one because you didn't switch it yet. Okay, not a big deal. The circuit, you must have circuited from the receptacle panel. You must have circuited from the receptacle panel. Okay. Jeff, click on the fixture and see where the circuit is coming from, please. Can you see where it says panel here? Can you see it's LP or RP?
LP.
LP?
Circuit 55.
Interesting. Jumped all the way to 55. Okay.
That's probably where my RP panel left off.
Were you circuiting? That's weird.
Because it's not even a 55 circuit panel, it's only 42.
Yeah, that's weird. Let me look in that one, if you don't mind. Okay, how many of you guys were able to drop a fixture and see a label next to it, A, circuit 1, occupancy sensor 1? Kerry, were you able to do that?
No, I might I can't switch it from light.
Okay, let's do that. So if you click on your light, guys. When you click on your light, it says switch system or circuit system. Which one do you want to edit? Switch system. Select the switch and go pick up the occupancy sensor if you have not picked it up already. Okay. No, the other.
I have two lights for them.
Oh, yes. Then edit switch, and add. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time, gentlemen. I'm going to go tag this boy. Category, tag by category. Here's my fixture right here. Can you guys see I'm tagging this and this and this and this? There's one little problem. This is not fixture. This is switch A, circuit 1. I want to get rid of the lead. So get rid of the lead. Click on these. Oops. Get rid of the lead. I don't want the lead. Get rid of the lead. All these fixtures. You don't want the lead. Okay, get rid of them. Then drag these boys here and drag him down next to the fixture. Cool. Okay, so I brought my fixtures here. The only thing that's missing is the fixture type. This is B. This was fixture B based on the schedule I got from my friend here. Edit type. I'm going to go to the type itself, right in here. And this will be capital B. Apply, okay, done. This fixture now is a fixture type B, circuit 1, switch A. Okay, now if your switching is not working out, we'll work on it. That's it, you're done. That's basically the ultimate solution of dropping the fixtures. You put your switch, you tag your switch. Can you guys see the switch is tagged here? Oh, we didn't tag the occupancy sensor though. Let's go down to the occupancy sensor. Let's see, tag the occupancy sensor, tag by category, and click. Can you guys tag the occupancy sensor, please? Get rid of that boy, and tag the occupancy sensor. So I tag the occupancy sensor. It should show the name of the occupancy sensor right next to it. So this is occupancy sensor 01, and this is occupancy sensor OCC sensor 2. OCC sensor 1 and OCC sensor 2. Do you see how I tag? So my sensors, my occupancy sensor are tagged, my switches are tagged, my fixtures are tagged, circuited and switched. Gentlemen, you are the king of the queens. I mean the king of the kings. See how easy that is?
Is there any way we can get rid of the box?
Let's go edit this tag and see. Edit family. This is the box. Yep, delete this. Yep, see that box here? Delete it. Edit family. Delete that box because it sucks. Delete that box because it sucks. And load in family. And off it goes. Override existing. Yes, please. And did you see what I did? I did it fast. And here's your switch without that stupid box next to it.
And that was under.
One more time. I went too fast. Click on it. Click on the tag. Right? Edit family. When you go there, you see a box around this, the words. Just click on the sides of the box. I already delete mine. All the 4 sides of that box, delete them. And then load in project. and it should show like this. Gentlemen, you have just entered the circuiting business. Now here's Kerry came up with a very good point. Look at what I grabbed this one from you. Look at this bathroom. This bathroom has one light. Now, what happened if Chad is sitting right in here? Is this a male bathroom?
Yeah.
Is Chad is sitting here, and Joe's sitting right here? Oops, I mean right here. What happens if you're sitting there doing your business and the light goes off because the bulbs or the ballast died on you? Bad news. Good design. I know based on visual, you need one. Good design. Drop two, guys. When you come to red line with me, I know we need one. It's a good design to drop two. So if I grab one or yet this one, I can put this one here and another one right here. It's a good design in a bathroom to have two fixtures. Did you guys hear me? Even though visual said one. Not a big deal. You don't have to go change it in CAD, in visual. Right in here, you can go drop as many as you want. Remember, this is a guide, and orient them appropriately. Do you see that one, guys? Especially in the bathrooms. Good idea to have two fixtures. Okay? Any question, guys, about circuiting? Let me ask you, gentlemen, is this good enough to get your juice up and running? Yes, no? Adam, Kerry, my friend? Yep. Is this good enough to get you guys up and running with help? Okay. So before I leave, Zach, my friend, if I can get your attention, guys, for a second, please, I make you laugh at least. Please, I said please. When you drop your fixture, you drop them in the ceiling view. Very important. And the occupancy sensor in the ceiling. Why? Because they are in the ceiling. So the first thing you need to do is go find fixture that looks like your fixture that you did and drop them in the ceiling. The second thing that you need to do is go to the floor view lighting, put your switches on the walls, and start your circuiting, tagging, switching, and tagging. So here's my question for Joe. Do we tag in the ceiling view? No, doesn't mean anything. We're not printing from there. You tag in the floor view lighting. You drop the fixture in the ceiling view. You go to the floor view, you circuit, you switch, and you tag. And gentlemen, that's it. We're going to do the same thing for the site. I want to let you putz around with the site, import the site to CAD, do the same process, and I will be more than happy to help you. So from here until Friday, the A students and the B and the C will be done with this. The D and the F we can wait. Cool? Is that good enough, Zach, to help you guys? Okay. All right, so that's all what I have. Thank you. Let me can help you individually here.
Yeah, my sensors still aren't.
I'll come in and look at it now in a second. Let me just synchronize, get out of this.